Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to update password on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Updating your password on Squarespace is a straightforward process, whether you want to enhance your account security or simply change your current password. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on your profile icon, and that's going to be located on the upper right corner. When you click on the account dashboard, you would notice that there's going to be an option that says account settings. All you have to do is click on it, and there should be something like account and security. Click that and you have all of these options. Alright? Login, account ID, and of course, app passwords. Now all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompts. Now, you can log in provider is here. If you want to change, click with your account, click on continue. If you're using a two-factor authentication, you might want to set it up. Account recovery off, and here is going to be the app password. You can generate password if you want, but again, it requires you to continue with your Google account. If in case you are having problems changing or updating your password on Squarespace, all you have to do is just simply contact the Squarespace customer support. Okay, click this option right here. And once you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you are having problems updating your password here, and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.